How to install the safe box in the wardrobe. Groove the hole according the drawing at desired position. Note, the height of the place to install the safe is more than 230 mm. Unpack the safe box. Take apart the keycap. Open the safe with the override key. A fitting bag inside the safe, including backup battery cabin, leather care tips, screws for installation. For AA alkaline battery, buy at local. Take apart the battery cover on the left. Insert the battery. You hear a beep. Power on successfully. Install the cover. Open the safe with a finger. Open and close 4 times. Check if the lock works well, then place the safe in the hole. For more security, the safe can be installed at the bottom of the wardrobe with screw. Note, at first override key and backup battery cabin need properly keeping, not keep in the safe. Secondly, in order that the batteries are in good status, place the battery every year.